Chiba. I can't see anything.
Chiba hot entertainment. Hold on, we're gonna over here.
No booty. Oh, now you're gonna do a booty shot. I'm videotaping. I'm videotaping. I'm not even fucking taking a picture. Everybody get sexy back. Bring sexy back. Everybody on the side of the couch. Ashley, bring motherfucking sexy back. Bring it so motherfucking back you don't even know what's good for your life. Bring sexy back. All you. Bring sexy back. Bring it back. Do it. Chiba Hawk Entertainment. Do it.
Chiba Hawk
Entertainment.
Wait, hold on, ready?
Persminity.
Big Wise
We love you guys. We're not making fun. We're just having a great time at your benefits. This is going on MySpace. Put that shit on MySpace.
You're giving me wild big.
Bring sexy back. Somebody in this building has to bring sexy back. I am gonna quit. Like, bring sexy back. Woo!
It's going on MySpace.
Go ahead. Get low with me. Yeah.
I got the dog coming up.
Bring sexy back, guys. Get your sexy on, Ashley. Get up and bring your motherfucking sexy.
Come on.
Get your sexy on.
Someone else has to do something.
Get your sex, Ashley. Yeah, that's your son's son. Get the fuck up and fucking. Go act like you don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. If Pitchfork sees this, he's really gonna hate me.
Fuck that motherfucker.
Why'd you put it on MySpace? That's just what on MySpace.
None of this shit.
New York, you suck.
Put it all on my
Ashley, who's bringing sexy back? Who's bringing it back? Tell me who's bringing it back.
I'm bringing it back.
Tell me. Show me. Don't tell me. Talk to me. Just show me. Bring it back. Oh. Hey, how about I bring it back? No one ever. Because I'll really get sexy with it, guys. Ready?
Because who's she with? She's with the band. She gives them head. She lets their taints.
Fuck you.
Look, guys, even the asshole.
It's a wrap on this sexy back party. Sign out, guys.
Sign out, bitch. Fuck you.
Motherfuck you, Dalai Lama. Sign out. Sign out. He's not ready to sign out. Oh, girl sing. Yeah. That's what I like. Sexy back. Ashley, get on that shit. Bring it out. Ooh. Oh. They're definitely bringing sexy back now.